Recording the sewer line here at 7545 25th Ave Northwest. Date is May 4th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out here on the side of the home. We're looking at a liner that looks like it's collapsed downstream of the line. So there was a liner installed here. It looks like some sort of maybe a permaliner that has collapsed on itself. So now we can't get the camera to go any further than that because the line is pinched off solid. So we're going to come back through this. I've located this about 10 feet deep in the sidewalk area. There is also a neighboring house to the north that ties into this sewer that is experiencing a sewer backup. This backup is also being located at that exact same juncture. So the assumption here would be this liner is causing the backup at the neighboring home as well. I don't know that for sure, but it would all indicators point to that. I'm going to come back through this liner and get a look at it. Funky offset there too. Back in PVC now.